Okay, hello guys and welcome. Now you can see why I'm giving the buy signal since London session because of this area resistance already break. Okay, now you can see the resistance ranging sideways, boom, respect, and then candle break. This is what we call breakout. So this is first confirmation. If you want to know, if you want execution, buy example, make sure have candle solid breakout. And when you waiting the game until price coming back at the zone, which is this is our zone breakout. This is zone resistance and then breakout and pull back. This will be zone support, RBS. Okay, now what the reason I'm giving the buy? Okay, actually since Friday, I already share about this key level 2346. You can zoom out, you can see have last resistance 2346. If this key level breakout, you buy. You buy. And then you can check H1 breakout and pull back. But where's the pullback? You can using the lower time frame confirmation. Okay, now you can see M30. Okay, H1. Okay, H1. Okay, M30. Okay, E plus E setup. What is E plus E setup? First E, and you need to plus M15. So this is candle M15. Make it clear, okay? Make it clear. And this is support. So that's why gold pull back at this support and fly high. Okay, next. You can see have trend line. Have a lot of confluence you can use, okay? If you analysis using lower time frame or you already know my knowledge, you will know why gold fly, and why I'm giving early buy, why I'm giving instant buy. You will know why I'm giving buy. Have trend line, buy, still respect. So, have a lot of confluence, have a lot of confirmation that you can buy. So, the resistance breakout. First confluence. The second confluence is trend line breakout. Sub. And this is also X setup. Channeling, breakout, pullback, fly. Touch and go. And then, what next? E plus E setup. Sub. Support, engulfing, and M30 also have engulfing type 2. See? Now, you can see why gold flying high. Because of, the reason is very simple. On M30 example, the resistance breakout. Once pullback, buy. That's why I'm giving buy instant entry. Because why? Because I don't want you guys only entry one layer. I want everyone entry at least 0.50. If reach 50p, you already gain $200, $500. So this is the main reason. So we still have another TP. Why I'm giving TP here? Because of another roadblock here. Another roadblock at this level. This is level support breakout. So just marking this is a roadblock need to gold touch today. Okay, so enjoy. Last week we sell. This week we buy. And I don't know what will happen for tomorrow. But as for now, I want everyone always learn SOT technique about SRR, X setup, E plus E, breakout. So focus on that technique only. Okay. Focus SNR. Is all about SNR. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay. So let's see. And let's wait. Gold touch 100 pips, which is 2355. Another 20 pips from now. Okay. So this is our next TP. 100 pips. If touch 100 pips for previous zone, 160 pips. So just wait. Because gold will coming. Okay guys. That's all for today. Bye guys. I hope you guys learn.